Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of learning C programming. So today we'll be going to talk about the other program, and that the program is write a C program to find the maximum of two numbers using ternary operator. So finding of maximum among two numbers we can do using of ternary operator, and also we can do the same program using if and else, or else using two if statements. Right, now we'll see these three logics in this program. Now hash include stdio.h, we know it is a standard input output header file. Now it is what the main function. Every C program will begin with the main function. Now so what the intention of the program? Wanted to find maximum of two numbers. Now two numbers are going to be the input variables. So a comma b are my input variables. Now I am declaring with the integer data type. Once after you declare the variables, now you have two kind of ways to supply the values into it. The one is what? Compile time initialization. Compile time initialization means instead of these two lines, I can write a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5. That means you can give the values of the variables in the same program itself. We say this is compile time initialization. And the other one is what? Runtime initialization. The mean of this is we will be going to use scanf statement. So whenever you are using scanf statements to read the values of variables, we say it is runtime initialization. Whenever you give the values inside of the program, we say it is compile time initialization. So according to the specification, we were taking runtime initialization. Now, so till now what we did, you have what two numbers are. Fine. Now, after you know two numbers, you can easily find out what is the maximum. How can I say which is the maximum? By comparing. So, we have a comparison operator, that is of relational operators. So, when I can say one variable is bigger one, so when this condition true, when a greater than b, we say a is greater. When it is true. If it is false, then we say b is greater. Fine. Now, I am going to use ternary operator. Ternary operator is what? Question mark colon. This is called as ternary operator. Now, a greater than b. Ternary operator. Printf maximum equal to percentile d. The way of executing this is, we'll write something like this. A greater than b. Ternary a colon b. Now, if this condition is true, then this block will get executed. If this condition is fail, then this block will get executed. Now, so if you write only a, the concern a value will be get assigned into some other variable. Let's say here if I am writing max. Max is equal to a greater than b question mark or else ternary a colon b. Then if this condition true, a value will be assigned into maximum. Now I'll print maximum value in my output percentile d comma maximum. If this condition is false, then b value will be assigned to maximum. So you can use this statement and this variable, or else you can directly write printf. If this block of statement is true, if this a greater than b is true, then this will get executed. If not, this will get executed. So this is what using of ternary operator. And now let's see how to use simple if statement for finding the maximum among two numbers. Now what we'll do is, we just write the program using simple if statements. Right? Now we'll write a program using simple if. Same logic. What the logic is? The logic will follow up to here is same. Up to here it is same. Now, if you wanted to use ternary operator, program will get changed from this statement. Now, I don't want to use ternary. Let's say we were discussed about there are three ways of finding out maximum, right? One way is using ternary operator. The other way is what? I can use simple if statement. When I wanted to use simple if statement, then I will not consider this line. Instead of this line, once after I finish up to here, now I'll write if A greater than B, this is what curly bracket, printf maximum is equal to percentile D, comma A, semicolon, and close. Next, if B greater than A, printf maximum is equal to percentile D, comma B. That's it. So this program is what? Using of two if statements. Now you can also write the other third way. Third way is what? I wanted to use if and else statement. Now, so for this block of code, I'll be going to implement else part. That is if else. Already we specified with if. Now what could be the else of this? Else part of this is else part printf maximum is equal to percentile D, comma B. If this condition is true, we'll enter inside of if block. If this condition is false, we'll enter into else part. So whatever the value it is there for maximum, that will get display on the screen. So this is about how to write a program using ternary operator, simple if and if else. Now we'll see how execution will be for. Now look at this program. So this is what the program we were explained just now. Here we were just given a comma b value variable declarations. After that, using scanf, we were reading the values of a comma b. Now I'm just using ternary operator to execute. Now let's see how the output value will be. So this output is, the input is what? Enter two values. I'm just entering 8 comma 5. Now maximum is equal to 8. The same program you can try with simple if statement and if else statement. You will be getting the output for though you are doing this program using those two techniques. Fine. Thank you all.